here we are with AOD number 5, which is a twofer. Look at that, 2 pieces. All right, so let's look at this first one. This is by Clara Schumann, Scherzo. Okay, so let's hear it. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so this is E minor, of course. And we can, they're easy things we can get, like, you know, the 1 chord right here. Right here, this is A minor, this is 4. And this is interesting because right here is a 6-4. See that? B, E, G. And remember, there are 3 types of 6-4 chords. There is passing, pedal, and cadential. And this one is passing. Do you see how it goes? A, B, C. It's a passing note. And against it, we've got C, B, A in the upper voice. So this is a passing 6-4. We'll call it a 1-6-4. Maybe I'll put it in parentheses because it's really just connecting. Now, we've often seen this filling in, for example, in this, you know, going from 1 to 5-6-4 to 1-6. So from a root position chord to a first inversion chord, the same chord. Here, however, we go from the 4 chord, A, E, C, to a different chord. The chord, just so you can see, A, C, E, and then we go to a F sharp, A, C, E. So this A, C, E is still in this chord, but the F sharp is added in. That makes that chord a 2 half diminished 4-3. Beautiful chord. All right, so we've gone. Now, if this were just the simple, where the first and third chords are the same, it'd sound like this. But now we've gone. That's a real color to it. And do you see how this goes A, G, A? This G doesn't make sense with these notes. So this is a neighbor tone. So this whole measure is F sharp half diminished with C in the bass. And this goes to 5, major 5, because it's got the leading tone. Here we're back to 1, 1, 6. Again, look at A, B, C, F sharp, so this is the same thing. 4, 1, 6, 4 to half diminished 4-3. Couple things different. Here, this note is tied over from the previous measure and then resolves down by step. This is actually called a suspension. We're going to talk about melodic embellishment at the beginning of next semester. But it's a non-chord tone, specific kind. We have another suspension here where a note is tied across the bar line and then it steps down. Okay? But it's the same progression in the second half. So here we go. Okay, so let's look at this next one. We get to read orchestral score, which for strings, there's no transposition involved. We do have this travesty of a clef, though. That's fine. Oh, yeah, okay, so we did talk about the 2-6-4, the 6-4 chords up here, how they're passing. Okay, so now down to here. Okay, so right here, we have to look at all of these chords. G, B, D, that's a G. So we're G major, that's a 1 chord. And then you see how B goes to C and back to B, right there. D goes to E and back to D. That's that double neighbor motion, which gives us a 4, 6, 4. Goes back to 1. That is the pedal 6, 4. It does this. And here it is, as it's written here. Again. Okay, so here we are. We've got that establishing the tonic, the neighbor motion with the pedal 6, 4. And now here we move into a D, F sharp, A, D. This is a 5 chord. This gets pretty tight. And then on beat 2, you see these upper 3 notes stay the same. And this steps down to C. That makes that into a 5, 4, 2. Okay, and then we get a 1, 6, and then a 1, 5, 3. Next measure is the same thing. I don't know what that is. How do you do the thing where you repeat like that? Okay, yeah, that was weird. Okay, now do you see this walking bass line down here? This is cool. So here we've got C major, G major, C major, G major is the chords. This is a 4, 6, 1, 6, 4, 4, 1, 6. Look right there. That is a passing 6, 4 connecting from root position 4, first inversion 4 to root position 4. Okay. In this context, we do not have the voice exchange. There's not another voice going C, D, E. You know, let me take that back. There is sort of. It doesn't have the D in the middle, though. Do you see the C here? Steps down to B and then leaps up to E. That is the voice exchange right there. It allows for this imitation. See, we've got E and D right here. And then right here, we get E and D. Transfers up there. Here we've got C and B stepping down, and then these swap. So we get beautiful counterpoint. All right, and then here, we've got D in the bass. That's our 5. But this right here is a 6, 4. It looks like a G major chord. So this is a cadential 6, 4, 5, 3, into 1. I'm going to play this just as block chords. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 6, 1. Now we have this 4, 6, passing 6, 4. Cadential 6, 4. There it is. So here it is, sort of as it is in the music. So there you go. So that is our second day of analysis for this week. See you tomorrow or whenever you do it for the next one.